Dude, we out here this morning, dude. We got the gear all ready, dude. Waking up, dude. The truck out here, ready to go. Got the chipper back there, dude. We out here. We got this fur job we're gonna do real quick, dude. Sick, little coat on fur. It's at our homie's house, you know, Morgan and Gordon. No problem. Yep. So we're gonna bust out the lift truck over there, get some stuff done. We'll see you at the job site, dude. We'll get you over there. Where's Adam? It's early for Adam. He's tired. It's Monday. Nice Monday. My dad fell asleep. I don't know where he went. All right, everybody. See you at the job. We out here, dude. This morning, my dad's vaping, dude.
What's up, folks?
Still vaping.
What's up?
Yep. So
vaping.
we out here. Got the lift truck out here today.
The Orange Crush out here getting something done.
Damn, a dev tank turned off. Perfect. What do we got today?
Oh, you already set her down?
We're gonna take out this fir tree
We're
here.
gonna take out this fir tree here. Your little sign. There you go.
Perfect. Little coat on unit. Yeah, we're gonna take her out.
Chip the brush Hollywood.
Yeah. Delimit, rope some top. Maybe rope some wood, maybe palm some wood onto some brush.
I think this little pile would be cool.
Yeah, we'll see.
It should be fun though. I'm gonna mess with this brake cable here and try to get some lights
My
going.
dad's gonna wire the chipper.
I'm gonna wire every truck at this point.
This
They all messed
guy's
up.
geeking. Yeah, we out here. We're gonna get our stretches on.
Kid.
He's geeking.
If I could kick you that high.
Shit.
All
We're gonna stretch now, everybody.
That's right.
We'll see you in a minute. All right, everybody. We out here. We're gonna beat him up, get some of this fur dealt with. Sick. Dad's fixing my saw right now. Perfect. Thanks, sir.
Oh, you're good. I just got clear them out of my way.
little bit more and we'll change this battery, everybody. Ready? Ready? Sorry, Adam. Ready? Ready? Hey. Hey. Ready? Big. Ready? All right, everybody, we out here. We got you that POV content. We got a little bit left, dude. We out here, get that brush tip real quick. Get the box jig. Perfect. Nice little brush pile today. See how much it's put on this truck. Kit box, get ready. Feel a trusty harness out today, dude. Hell yeah. Nice little coat on unit. Getting her done. Here we are, folks, up in the top. And down there doing his magic with the whoopee. We're gonna do a little back cut. I'm gonna drop this little piece right here, see? Nice little spot. Little top, little Christmas tree size. Dallin only wanted to do the little 6-footer. Little 6-footer. I was telling him, 89 bucks, we can buy this at the store. Anybody doing a Christmas tree shot? Alright. You ready? Go ahead! Alright. I'm gonna put this down for a sec. I'll be right back, folks. Here she is. Christmas tree. What happened to the run, son? I got scared. Not that heavy. It's a little Christmas tree. I told you, she's barely 6 foot.
Christmas tree thing's huge. I got scared. It was gonna be heavy. Here's a little Christmas tree, folks. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bell rock. I pushed the button and stopped in mid-video, man. All right, folks. One down, one to go. Nice, another Christmas tree to go. What is a run? Well, now he's watching it the other way. He's acting up there, dude.
I got a little nervous, everybody. I didn't want it to run super hard. Well, that's okay. We got a couple angles. Yeah, we got more angles now. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. We'll get this cut up real quick. Get it hauled out. Dad's gonna tie up that other one. Just go check my dad's cut, dude. He don't even have his glasses on. Look at this. It's my dad, dude. It's my dad. Take notes. Is your dad cut like that? I don't think so.
Nice. Oh yeah, nice shot, Dad. Okay, lowering. Nice cut, dude. That's my dad. Little Bucky stride, dude. Yeah. I'm not ready. Nope. There we go, everyone. Got a little shot there. All right, everybody, we're up here tip tying still. Look at this plant, everybody. These thorns are super sharp. Wow, look at this unit. Looks real cool. All right, everyone, we're getting there, dude. Dad's up here rigging these tip ties real quick, just like no problem. Here we go, and tighten this quarter wrap up again. Very tight with some wood. We're getting all this wood moved from the dump bed. We're gonna stuff that thing to the brim. Okay, here I go. Yep. Dad out here, dude, trying to break the rope. Look how big he's taking this giant top. Freaking out. I'm freaking out over here, everyone. There you go. Boom! Check this out. We got my dad up here rigging. We got the big saw for this unit. Let's watch him face this thing up. Go right through him, it's fine.
He's down there, folks, trying to wrap stuff up. Take your sweet ass time. Alright, you ready? Alright, folks, here we go. Get ready to pop this top. Put it down in the cap. Go! Beautiful! Yeah, baby! Road River. Beautiful little shot up here. Feel your little valley. That's right, that's right. Don't worry, I'm zooming in my voice too. That's right.
Alright, everybody, last piece of the day. Nice little piece. Did a little two wrapper on this one too. It's been going good all day, so why not? Oh yeah! Look at that rod, dude. That's fucking quarter apple smoking. Okay, they don't even want to move. It's all stopped up. There it is.
What do we do now? Come down? Talon, are you okay?
I'm okay.
You look like you're in trouble.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Yard this morning, everybody. Getting the old lift truck unpinned real quick.
Okay, and then from here,
Come on.
the upper boom, pull back, goes up a little. Lower booms, not this one, but the next one down, lower boom, see?
Yeah.
Push it in, it brings this one up now. Okay? So pull some and then up some. With me? Yeah. Okay, and then when you're done, okay, after you bring it all back down and run pin, you'll throw this lever.
Oh, you suck. Sucks, everybody. Yep. You going up the box right now, Ron?
Power up here, right?
We out here, got a little bit more wood left to do. 10 more feet. Perfect.
rope right there, right there, right there. Let's lock them off probably with the yellow rope so we're all good. But yeah, we out here this morning. Alright, we'll get these shuts shut off and get some shuts done real quick. We don't got the chipper today. We got the dump bed. We're gonna fill her full of wood. Perfect.
No, it's not like super fast. Okay, it's recording now, so you click it. Think so? Yeah. All right, there we go, recording. We got the PR. Oh, POV, my bad. POV, got the POV going. POV on dad. That's right. Now, I don't have to worry about nothing, folks. This is what we're doing. I'm up here in Orange Crush kicking some butt. Well, not really. We're just kind of moving around. Talon's over there running the file through the saw. Come down and get some ropes. Get this little X-Sling. Get our blue line. She's strong.
Get that scouter up there now? Yeah. Backpack on.
Dude, I missed the camera?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a good song. I like it.
I'll take it right there.
Man, that would have been a good one. Damn it. Sally. Yeah. No chance to stop now, honey. Beautiful. Spun me around up here. Got me whipping, bro.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. She's a big one. Careful, careful.
Perfect.
And then the cut. Okay. All right, boss. Yeah. Get a little set up here. I'm not confused at all. Nice cut right here. Got me a nice little spot to walk it down right here. All right, folks, she's set, she's ready. I'll get you to cut here in a minute. All right, here we go. You ready? All right, folks. If I let this go, it's going. You ready, son? All right, I give it a little wiggy. Uh-oh. There we go. She's slipping. Huh? Boom. Did a little rippy-roo. Good little tip tie here. There it is. Alright, so it took me a little bit, but I figured. So we have that there, we get rid of this little tip tie here. Perfect, folks, perfect! Don't get no better, baby! That's what I'm talking about!
Got the skid steers out here. Doing good today. Lift truck out here doing good today. Perfect.
Come on, folks. Southie, bro. Nice one, son. Nice one. Tell him I don't want you underneath it, honey. A little bit. You're not getting much out of it, so there you go. You can flip it on its end and roll it over. There you go. Some slack out.
I don't use your helmet. You need to lower the rope.
Trying. Those three wraps are holding it. Shit. All right, folks. Here we go. Back cut on this little cannonball. That's the enemy here. The first one we started with. This is the beginning. This little saw here. She got us going. So. We're gonna finish this one off. Are you ready yet, son? Get on it now. Perfect. Paper. Yep. What happened? Good job. Missed everything, huh?
Yeah,
Nice. Just low enough, huh? All right, we're gonna cut it up down there, boys. Just roll it flat against the trunk right there. Be fine. We can make the cut right there. There you go. All right, folks. Send some man up to go get some wood for me. Flipping her down. That's it. That's it. That's it. No frustration. You see that sweat drip? Now we're gonna get that thing out, fool. Oh my goodness. It's a little bitty one. It's a little bitty one.
You got it, everybody. Check it out, man.
Watch your boom, watch your boom. Tight. There you go, perfect. Beautiful, son. Good job. Just like. That's it. I think that's good.
Perfect, everybody. We out here.
That's right. Now, let's go set her down, huh? Yeah, that's where it's at. Let's go set it down now. What? All right, folks, just got her finished up.
Perfect.
Orange Crush went up there and took care of business.
Again.
We love that asset we got there. But yeah, here's the job.
Yep, perfect.
Little fir tree.
Fir down.
Gone.
Delimbed it, roped it, chunked it,
And moved it.
6-inched it, and moved it. And
yeah, we out here, folks.
we're heading to that next job now. We'll show you that little tree we're gonna dump.
Yeah, we'll go dump one for a fella. All right.